Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Chapter number 5, Exercise 5.10. We have to find the LCM of the given polynomials. Okay, so the question number 1 is 15a square x cube y square, 16a square x square y cube, and 12a square x cube y square. Here we have three polynomials and we have to find its LCM, means least common multiple. Okay, so first of all we will find the factors of these all polynomials as we have already done in finding the highest common factor. Okay, so the very first expression is 15a square x cube y square, the very first polynomial, and I have wrote down its factor form. Okay, now the second expression is 16a square x square y cube, so this is the factor form of this term, and the third term is 12a square x cube y square, and this is the factor form of the last polynomial. Now we have to find its HCF. Okay, so HCF is highest common factor. For finding the highest common factor, we have to check the numbers or terms which are common here, the common factors. So the first of all, a square, this a square, this a square is common, so this a square I have wrote down in the HCF. Now second one is x square, and x square is common, so we have wrote it down here x square. In the third term y square, common, so we have wrote down here the common. So highest common factor is a square, x square, and y square. Now we have to find the LCM. LCM is least common multiple. Now after writing the HCF, we will check. Now we will check whether which terms are common in two factors. Means first of all we will check in these two factors what is common. If there is no any number or multiple common or factor common, so we will write in the LCM. See, the very first highest common factor, now it will be multiplied. We will see here 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is common here? No. So check it, 2 is common. This 2 and this 2 common. So I have wrote down here 2. Then again I saw this 2 and this 2 is common. So I wrote down here 2. Now I saw this 3 and 3 common, so I wrote down here 3. Now there is no any common same for 5, so I will write this 5 again, and then these 2. I have wrote down again these 2. Now in the variable I will check here what is common. X is common, so we have wrote down here x, and then y left, so y is last multiple. So least common multiple will be equal to, multiply all the numbers, we will get here 240, and then a cube, x cube, and y cube. This is the least common factor of given polynomials. Okay, in the similar pattern we will follow for the next questions, and the pattern is we have to find the factors, and then we have to find the HCF, and then we will find LCM. Now see the question number 2. X minus y minus z minus 2yz and y square minus z square minus x square minus 2xz. Okay, now in the solution, see x square minus y square minus z square minus 2yz. This is the polynomial, and now I have to find its factor. For finding the factor, I will first of all rearrange the expression. Did you see here what I did? This minus 2yz, I have arranged this in this term like, and then write down the second expression, that is second expression. I have transformed it into formula number 3, that is for first of all find the common minus. I have taken this minus common, and then y square plus 2yz plus z square, I have transformed it into formula according to formula number 3. Now according to formula number 3, it has given me y plus z whole square. Now again I observed here I have x square, the square of first term minus square of second term. So we will use here formula number 5. Formula number 5 gives x plus, write down the both terms first of all in with the positive sign and with negative sign. So we will get here x plus y plus z and x minus y minus z. Okay. Now the factor form of the second expression, it will be on the same method. What is this? Okay, I have rearranged the terms. Minus 2xz I have wrote down here between these two terms, and just see y square minus x square minus 2yxz and minus z square. Now take the common from these last three terms. I have taken the common negative sign, and then I have transformed it according to formula number 3. So after applying formula number 3, we will get here square of x plus z. Okay, and already here we have y square. Now again we see that there are two perfect squares having negative sign, so we will apply here formula number 5. And formula number 5 says we have first of all we have transformed it, and after transformation we have wrote it down into plus and negative form. So it has given me x plus y plus z and y minus z minus x. Now LCM is, HCF is, what is common? Common is x plus y plus z here, and LCM is what left? X plus y plus z, this one, and x plus y plus z, this one. Both are common. I have wrote down here. Now for finding the LCM, again I have wrote down this x plus y plus z, and what left? Here left x minus y minus z, I have wrote down here, and here left y minus z minus x, I have wrote down here. So this is the required answer. Now again we have on the similar pattern question number 4, a cube minus b cube, a6 plus b6, a12 minus b12. Okay, so again what we will do, we will find the factors of these three terms individual, and then we will find HCF, and then finally LCM. Let me remove these signs so it will be easy for you to understand the terms. Okay, now this is question number 4. In the solution, first of all I have written down the factor form. I have applied here formula number 14. Did you see? And then for the second expression, a6 plus b6 equal to, first of all I have applied formula number 13, and then it gives me a square plus b square, and then this is the transformation according to formula number 13, and this is the final answer for the first expression. Now again I have to find the factor form of a square plus b square. So a square plus a12 minus b12. a12 minus b12 equals to square of a6. First of all, I have applied here formula number 5. Square of a6 minus square of b6. So it will give me a6 plus b6, a6 minus b6. Okay, now after this again we will transform it according to formula number 5. The first term I have wrote down here in the form according to formula number 5, and the second term according to formula number 13. So we have done the transformation according to formula number 5 and 13, and then we have found its factors. Okay, so after finding the factors of a12 minus b12, now we will find what is the highest common factor. So the highest common factor, there is no any term which is common here, so HCF is 1, and then in LCM we will write all the terms only once, means no any bracket will be repeated. Okay, these all terms we will write only one time, and this is the LCM of given question. Okay, now next question is question number 6. X minus y, x square minus y square, and x cube minus y cube, x square plus x square y square plus y4. So first of all, in the very first solution, we have to do nothing. X minus y, keep this x minus y as it is. Now x square minus y square, we will apply it here formula number 5, and then in the third polynomial x cube minus y cube, that is equals to, we have applied here formula number 14. This is the factor form of the third polynomial, and this is the factor form of fourth polynomial, that is x4 plus x square y square plus y4, that is equals to, I have applied here the perfect square formula. So just applied here perfect square formula, it will give me x4 plus 2x square y square plus y4 minus x square y square. So I have done here the transformation according to the completing square method. First of all, we have to apply the formula number 3 or 4, and then formula number 5. So it has given me the last factors. Now we have here 4 factors, in fact 1, 2, 3, 4. So find the HCF. There is no any factor or bracket or coefficient common, so that's why HCF is 1, and the LCM is this term. How we have found here? K x minus y, this x minus y, this x minus y, and in the third term this x minus y, and this is common. I have wrote down here x minus y, then I have written here x plus y, x minus y, and then this term, and then this term. These are the common here. So least common factor multiple is equals to this given expression. Okay girls, we have completed almost all the questions, and now you have to do these all questions in your notebooks. Okay, now I have to wind up it. Allah Hafiz.